How's it going, everybody? It's CHRISTIANL here with Eat Like an Apex. This evening, we traveled to San Francisco, California to check out Mel's Drive-In. We heard that Mel's Drive-In had brought back the CARHOP eatery where you can drive in the front, park in a spot, and someone will come out and take your order and deliver your food to you. So we're gonna take advantage of enjoying an old school style of eating. Mel's Drive-In, known as the first CARHOP eatery in San Francisco. Also in Southern California, they had restaurants located there as well. 50s drive-in, dine-in, when you used to dine in, spot for burgers and fries, just a classic. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that, and I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive up and around into Mel's Drive-In, and you'll see how it works. Follow that way.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, why not? Did I go too far? It's right there. Oh, it's right there. I see it. Okay. I guess I'll park in the front then. Do we social distance with our cars too? Look at that. Car social distancing. You can see right there. I just pulled up and we're gonna wait to see who's gonna come by and take our order. There's about 4 cars ahead of us here. Hi. How you doing?
CARHOP is only here and in LA.
Oh, here in LA?
Yes.
Oh, first time coming to Mel's Drive-In.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the CARHOP.
This is the CARHOP?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So how's it work? We're just gonna order it right here?
You guys can take a look at the menu and I'll be back and I can take your order.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so as I reiterate, I believe she did state that they're only having the drive-in CARHOP style eating in your car at this location and in Southern California. That's what she said, huh? Mm-hmm. This is John here, friend of ours that's hanging out with us too. This is right there. Mel's Drive-In CARHOP service is back. CARHOP service and takeout.
It's like one of the oldest classic diner.
One of the classic diners.
In San Francisco.
Nice. Okay. Well, you're good. This is our waitress.
Hi there.
Hi, Betty. So
I'm Betty. Hello, guys.
She's gonna take our order.
So I have a burger medium rare with cheese with French fries, and then I have the garlic burger medium with fries. I have grilled cheese with apple juice and a strawberry shake. Okay.
Thank you, Betty.
Thank you.
So we did our order. I got the classic, the original burger, iconic for Mel's Drive-In, I believe. Although there are different items on the menu you can certainly choose from, like sandwiches, some chicken. Yeah, just gonna wait for our food. Strawberry shake?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. All right. This is the Coke?
Yeah.
All right. Hit that up, Jonathan. Let me know how you like it.
It's a really good shake. It's not a really good straw, but it's a really good shake.
All right. There we go. All right, strawberry shake. I'm gonna go this way. Oh man. Not bad. Oh, I got all over my face.
Oh, it wasn't even. Oh, I had it.
Go ahead.
My hair flying. It's good.
She's doing the jerk?
Do the hammer dance.
Yeah.
I was here.
Oh, back then?
Yeah.
Nice.
But this place was born.
Really?
Same year.
Oh.
47. I'm from Hollywood.
You're from
Hollywood too.
Is that ours?
All right. Yeah.
All right.
You roll up your window for me a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit up. That's perfect. Thank you.
Okay. The way the tray is displayed, you roll up your window just a little bit, then they place it onto the window. It's hooked up with the tray, and then your boxes of food. What you got? Like a little car tray. See it? Flip it over the bottom. Yeah, the tray. Put your food in there in a little bit. We got the food sitting outside the window. First thing I'm gonna pull out here is this right here. You can take a look at. Shauna ordered a salad, as she would. Okay, this is the grilled cheese sandwich. So Safi got the grilled cheese sandwich right over here. You can see that. cheese, and some fries. This is the cheeseburger I picked up, the classic American Mel's Drive-In cheeseburger with the pickles, red onions, tomatoes, and some lettuce. Let's take a look at that burger with that cheese. And close that up. This is Shauna's turkey burger. Okay, so that's a turkey burger, that turkey meat, that wheat bun. Okay, so this is the garlic burger. This is what Jay ordered, is the garlic burger. We're gonna begin the eating of our burgers. And we're in the car hopping. Is this called car hopping? Or the car hop, and we're just gonna eat in the car. So I'm gonna open it up and put the red onions, the tomatoes, pickles, and the lettuce, just like that, on top of it. And I'm gonna have some ketchup and mustard and mayo. So I'm gonna put that onto my burger. Just that's mayo, that nice. And then I'm gonna add some of that ketchup. Put some of that ketchup, a little bit. Here's the mustard. All right, closing it up now. Closing up shop. Boom, there it is. First bite of the Mel's Drive-In cheeseburger. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh man. First thing that sticks out for me. I got my meat medium rare, and yeah, that's the first thing that pops up. That tenderness of the meat patty. I like mine's nice and pink a little bit on the inside, which I'm totally okay with. Oh, that's a great classic burger right there. You got the crispiness of those red onions, like a little spice from the red onions, gives you a little tickle. And that tomato, the lettuce. Oh, just an all-around classic burger. It's nice and just like fluffy, slightly crispy on the outside. I'm gonna take another bite. Here we go. And bite. I got mine with the mayonnaise, mustard, and cheese. Great addition, obviously. You want to add those condiments. Oh yeah, I love it with that mustard. Man, let me chase it with some fries now. Here we go, and bite. Yeah.
I'm eating fries too.
Those fries are delicious as well. I guess it's your typical French fry. Classic French fries. Nothing spectacular, just like all around delicious American French fry. The burger and the fry. I can certainly go for this every now and then. I haven't had a burger in a while actually. How's yours?
Very good.
Very good.
If you like garlic, you like the garlic.
Oh man. All right, this is some of Jay's garlic burger. Take a bite of that. You taste that garlic, hence the name, garlic burger. Oh, grilled cheese. There's your grilled cheese. Take a bite of that. Okay, not bad. Grilled cheese. I mean, not much you can go wrong with it. Yeah. Again, it's one of your typical classic burger spots. Classic menu, classic style. Bringing back the CARHOP classic service. So we met this guy out here earlier, and he's a singer, and he opened up for Stevie Wonder back in the day. It's pretty cool who you meet at a drive-in. I'm about a little more than halfway done. Jonathan's already done, right?
Very much.
And bite. I'm gonna have this next bite. Oh, probably my last bite. Yeah, my last bite with a load of mustard. Oh, yeah. Look at that mustard. All right, last bite. Last bit of fries and I'm done. All right, so here's Shauna's turkey burger. I'm gonna take a bite of that with the familiar veggie toppings, pickled red onions, tomatoes, and that lettuce. That turkey burger. All right, and bite. That cheese really sticks out. That's a pretty good turkey burger on a wheat bun. To finish off that wonderful classic meal, I'm gonna sip from my paper straw, and then do a movie theater drink. A Mel's Drive-In. Like I haven't been.
Did you post You were just in Oakland eating
Ethiopian food.
Ethiopian food.
Yeah.
At
At Barcota, yeah.
okay, that was
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
I did.
That's cool. She saw one of my videos, the Barcote video in Oakland. We'll finish up this video here by concluding the Mel's drive-in food vlog. If you're into classic burgers, 50s style eating, this is a perfect place for you to check out. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing.